Hello, welcome to iOS tutorial. Today let's see how to work on NSString class. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a NSString object and how to create a NS mutable string. Difference between mutable string and NS mutable string is means NS string is a constant string. NS mutable string means it is a editable string. And next we are going to learn about the length of the string, how to get the length of the string. Next, how to copy a string from one string to another one, how to search a part of string in a string. Let's see how to do these things in Objective-C. Let's go to vcontrol.m. In that vcontrol vdload method will be there now. First I will teach you how to declare a constant string. To declare a constant string you have to type NSString object for that one string 1 and you have to add the value for this string is a immutable. I am storing that value to the string 1. Next, how to create the mutable string means that is editable string. For that you have to create an object for the class NSMutable string. The object name is string2, NSMutable string, string with string. This is the value I am going to store. Next, let's see how to get the length of the string. Means I am trying to get the length of the string. Means how many characters are present in this string. For that, declare a variable int length. Call the function length on the string object. Let's see what will be the output of this one, what will be the length of this one. You're going to see this output in the console. See, length is 24. You can count up to this, including space also it will count. Next you see how to copy a string, means from one string to another string. For that you have to take two mutable string. Take two mutable string, one is string 1, string 2. I add the value with string 1 with this is a first, this is a string I am assuming. I want to copy the string 1 to the string 2. How to do that one? String 2 is equal to NS mutable string, string with string. This is the method you have to call and you have to pass the string. This is the way to copy the string. You should not use string 2 is equal to string 1. That is the wrong way to do that. You have to do this using the string 2 is equal to NS mutable string, string with string 1. So do that means both string 1 and string 2 will have the same value. This is a string like that. You want to know whether the value is stored in string 2 is same thing, you have to print that one. NSLog value in string 2 is percentage at comma string 2. See, this string 2 will having the value that is stored in string 1. Same value is going to show. Okay. Let's see search for a substring means I want to search the quick word or quick pronoun in this string. How to search that one? For the first one, declare one string 1 class object, store the value the quick brown fox jumps, that is the string we are going to store in string 1. I want to search for the brown fox whether it is found or not. How to do that one? You have to declare a object for NS range, that is NS range match. Match is going to assign with the string 1 range of string, whether means range of string brown fox. This will match will having the location. You want to know the at which location it is found means you have to call this object the property location. Let's see where that brown fox will be there. See, at index 10 this match found will be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. From this location this brown fox will going to show. It is at location present. The output is showing same thing. This ends your iOS NSString class tutorial. Thank you.